Indeed, thank you so much, Murimi Mwangi, senior reporter, joining us from our city center studios. And from the capital, let's cross over to Nyeri County and speak to Clement Masombo. Clement, good morning. How is day 3 of KCPE expected to turn out today? Have there been any cases so far? And what is it like from your region?
Good morning, George. It's indeed day 3 of the Kenya Certificate of Primary Education exam, that is KCPE, and it's an exam that started on Monday. The learners or the candidates on Mondays did the mathematics, English, and English composition. Day 2, which was yesterday, they did the science paper, the Kiswahili Lugha, and of course in the afternoon they did the Kiswahili Insha. And today, being day 3, they are sitting for their social studies and religious studies paper. It's a combined paper, and the paper has already started, and it will take about 2 hours. From there, I think we expect that marking of the KCPE exams will start immediately, because the results are supposed to be out before the beginning of the second term, which is scheduled for 25th of April. But the situation is calm here in Nyeri County, and I believe so in the entire country, because we have not received any information concerning any information or scenarios concerning the examination that is ongoing. And right here, I'm outside the Nyeri Hillside Academy, just at the gates of the Nyeri Hillside Academy, and I was at the school earlier on, and the candidates were of course excited, because it has been a long journey. 8 years they are completing. This is their final day for the 844 system. Now the first 8 years actually they are completing today, and they were of course excited and with very high expectations. And from here, of course, this will determine which school they will be joining after the results will be out. But of course, on matters security, we believe that the government has beefed up security all over the country, especially in the areas like Baringo, where the gunshots were being heard a few kilometers from the school and examination centers. But yesterday, speaking to the CS for Education, Professor George Magoha, he was telling us that the government, through the multi-agency, they have the multi-agency approach. They have beefed up security in such areas to ensure that the exams are conducted in a very conducive environment for the candidates, and ensure that they do them peacefully. Except for a few cases where a few candidates maybe are doing the exams from hospital beds, there are no much issues that have been reported like previously, where we used to have exam irregularity practices being reported from in various parts. This year, such cases have been very low, and I don't think there is anything to raise alarm on that, Maringa.
Indeed, Clement Masombo, thank you so much for that. Let's go to the health diary, and let's talk about COVID-19.